everybody, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today I'm going to make traditional style peas masala. It's very famous in Kerala. You can eat it with parata, you can eat it with mutter, you can eat it with appam, etc. So today I'm going to make it. So let's get started. First, in a pressure cooker, add oil. I'm using coconut oil. You can use any vegetable oil you want. I am using coconut oil because I'm from Kerala and I love it. Now let it heat up. Let's add sliced onions. Saute. Change color. Let's add crushed ginger garlic. What are we? Saute a little bit. Add sliced green chilies. Okay, let's add the spices. Reduce the heat when you add the spices because you don't want it getting burnt. First add turmeric powder. Chili powder. Coriander powder. Fennel powder. And garam masala. And finally, salt. Now starting getting a good smell. Now it's done. Let's add sliced tomatoes. You should also add curry leaves, but I don't have any at home. Okay, so it will be sauteing for a few minutes. Next, add dried green peas. Okay, so I've soaked them in water for about 6 hours. And one of the most important parts of it is that do fry it for 2 to 3 minutes because it helps in reducing the raw taste. I fried the green peas for nearly 5 minutes. Let's add boiling water. Okay, now pressure cook for 5 minutes. I pressure cook this for about 5 minutes. Okay. Next add potatoes. And pressure cook for 3 whistles. Smells awesome. Pressure cook it for 3 whistles. It's about Gandhiji, but the name is Nerana. Nerana nammalkundayirunnu Suryane pole urapoopan Muttonam ettunna kochumundum Muttathelayum tilinju kannum Munnari pallilla punjiriyum Rannara chooda virinja maarum Nerana nammalkundayirunnu Suryane pole urapoopan. Thank you. എനിക്ക് ഒന്നും കൂടെ പോവുമുണ്ട്. ഈ വല്ലിയിൽ നിന്നു ചെമ്മേ പൂവ് പോവുന്നിതാ പറന്നമ്മേ തെറ്റി നിനക്കുന്നി ചൊല്ലാം എന്നാൽ പൂമ്പാ Paresan, Amme Vaye Enikku Marakkan. Thank you. Inni korchu ദിവസത്തിൽ ഞാൻ നല്ല മലയാളം പഠിക്കും അത് കൂടെ സംസാരിക്കും. Third mystery. It smells so good. It's just perfect. Let's get the next goes on our final ingredient. Thick coconut milk. You're going thick coconut milk. Let's mix a little bit. Boil for a couple of minutes. A few days ago I went to Calcutta. Over there we had a lunch, and in that I had parota and peas curry. So then after I ate it I thought I'm definitely going to make this. So here it is. Let it boil for a couple of minutes. Then we're done. So now it will boil. I'm garnishing with coriander leaves. And now let's serve. I made peas masala for our dinner tonight, and we're having it with chapati. And it's a really good combination. So thank you for watching KichaTube. KichaTube has completed more than 150 recipes. So for more yummy videos, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell. And please do share it with all your friends so that they can also see yummy videos.